Good morning students, welcome to the social class. After the last class, we have learned about colonization, right? Yes. What is colonization? Influence of one country on other politically, economically and culturally is called colonization. Yes. Today's topic is how do we know? Yes. How the historians can able to tell about the British administration in India. This is today's topic. So, Britishers used two types of methods. The first one is record keeping and the second one is surveys. So, record keeping and surveys are most important things for Britishers. Because of these two things, we can able to know about the British administration in a detailed manner. So let us discuss the first one, keeping of records. Yes. Britishers are very interested and they believed in written work. So the small instruction, policy, plan, anything has to be written in the era of British. They thought that if the things were put down on the paper, it will be useful for further debates. So they believed everything has to be written down in the form of records. That's why they built record rooms for every administrative office, from the Tahsildar office in a village to law courts in a city. Means all the British administrative offices has record rooms. Record rooms attached to the Tahsildar office in a village, provincial offices, commissioner offices and law courts in the cities. So from the village to cities, all the British administrative official offices are attached to the record rooms. So this much of importance they has given to the record work. Not only this, they established many archives and museums to preserve important records. We can get many letters, orders and the plans of the government from these archives till now. If we visit the museums in New Delhi, we can get a lot of information about the administrative process of Britishers through these preserved records. So this is the importance that the Britishers given to the written work. And you have to remember about the record rooms which were attached to all the administrative offices of Britishers. Yes. So in the starting of 19th century, the Britishers made all these records rewrite by the calligraphers. So who is this calligraphers? So calligraphy means art of handwriting. The persons who are experts in the beautiful handwriting are called calligraphers. So by these calligraphers, Britishers made the records rewrite by them. Why? Because it shows their passion about the writing or preservation of the records. Yes, but in midst of the 19th century, with the invention of printing press, n number of copies are produced. So they went for the printing of the paper and printing of the many records. And that preservation we can observe now in the museums and archives. Yes, here I am displaying one of the important museum of Britishers where they preserved the letters, records, plans and administrative policies of British administration. Yes. The second one where the Britishers focus and where they show much interest is surveys. What is this survey? On what they surveyed? Out of this, what they know? Surveys are one of the important source to know about the British administration, and Britishers were very interested in making the surveys. Why they have that much of interest? At the starting of this lesson, you can observe this image, right? And below this image, we have some information. That is, Robert Clive asked James Rennell to prepare the map of India. So, why the map of India is needed by them? Yes, by looking at the map, we can easily tell the routes to the country and the boundaries of the country and the size of the country. So all these things we can come to know by seeing a map. So from starting onwards, Britishers are having a lots of interest in making maps. They believed that surveys will help them to know better about the place and the country. That's why Britishers did a lot of surveys in India. Firstly, they stepped into the revenue surveys. So, by conducting the revenue surveys, they can come to know that about the topography, means what is the type of the land over there, whether it is plateau, hill, lowland or mountain. So, they can come to know the type of the land over there and the soil and the cropping patterns. So, and most probably the tax. So, the pattern of the tax collection, all these things they can come to know by doing the revenue survey. Next, they did the survey of the population. So, after every 10 years, they conducted the population survey or census survey. Because of this, they can come to know that how many people are living for a square kilometer. The notable thing in the census survey of British administration is there is no mention of religion, race, caste or region. So they want only how many people are living in that place to collect the tax. There is no caste discrimination, there is no wealth discrimination also. So they just did the general survey and they counted per head to collect the tax. So this is the way of British administration. What is the hidden secret behind these surveys? Yes, if they surveyed properly, if they got the information in their hand, it is very easy to conquer that place or that country. So if they know the mentality and the lifestyle, culture of the people of that particular country, it is easy to them to control. So to control a country, the other countries will follow this type of strategies. It is a part in colonization. So the country which would like to make other countries as their colonies followed these type of strategies. But the colonies or the countries which underwent the colonization did not know the hidden secret of these type of surveys. They blindly gave all the secrets and the information to others, but others comes for dominating them. This fact known to the people, to the innocent people after many years when they lost everything. As part in these surveys, the Britishers did archaeological surveys, geology surveys, anthropology surveys and many other botanical surveys also. So when they went for the surveys, they collect some plants or some fruits as like specimens. So local artists are encouraged to draw the particular plant or a fruit picture. Now these are the sources to the historians to study the nature of colonization and in which way they can use that plant leaves, roots and everything will come to know to the Britishers. They surveyed on many plants and the trees also. So where the Indians are preserving their culture and their heritage and their medicinal secrets was revealed to Britishers. That's why Britishers moved the Indians from all traditional activities which are very healthy to us. So this is not a change of one day. Due to the course of time, with the perfect planning, the Britishers moved the Indians from their culture, tradition and values. So hope in future and at present we try to retrieve our values and traditions and culture. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.